So I decided to copy and paste week seven's redesign activity folder. This was one of the most difficult assignments I have ever had. It has taught me a very big lesson on how to build courses online. So let's just hope for the best here. I knew that I wanted it to be organized. I wanted the student to have an overview of what was expected of them week to week. Kind of like we have in our own class, with our checklists of what's due. So I made a course weekly assignment, section where you're told to read the readings and you're going to watch the videos and make sure you complete your homework and complete the practice test. And then I divided each week, by setting up the names attached to the files, knowing which week was associated. And as we went through, we would click on week 1, and then it would say, lecture notes, this is what's expected, blah, blah, blah. And then I would go into talking about what's assigned, the directions for the homework, what the homework is, and the video. Same for week 2 and its video and its assignment, and then week 3, the course assignment and the video. I definitely need some tweaking. It definitely needs more time on it, but I was super rushed and wanted to show my work. So thank you for teaching me a very big lesson, week 7. Thanks.